to my channel. I wanted to talk about a new purchase that I made and give my review on it. As always, please like and subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram if you like my videos and want to see more of them. So, the new purchase that I just made is at Stuart Weitzman. One of my favorite brands. They became one of my favorite brands after I purchased the Thailand over the knee boots from them. This is what they look like. And I absolutely love them. I love the quality of them. I've had them for a few years now and I've worn them from everywhere, to a casual look, just walking around the city, to like a Thanksgiving, to the club, literally everywhere. So when I started eyeing these new boots by Stuart Weitzman, I knew that they would be really great quality and could be a pair that could last me for a while. So let's find out what I got. Do a little unboxing. Super cute, light rose pink dust bag and paper. And these are them. I got the all white Mckenzee boot from Stuart Weitzman, and this is them. So, why did I get these boots? Where did I find out about them? And what's the deal? So, I saw these boots worn by a few different people on Instagram and I was just super interested in them. I loved that they were just this crisp all white shoe and I felt like I could wear them with so many different outfits, from like casual jeans to sweatpants to like day dresses, and I thought that I was really interested. I looked around and these were honestly the best that I could find around in this crisp white color. Again, the people on Instagram were wearing the Stuart Weitzman ones. So I was kind of eyeing them for a while. I went into the store because I wasn't sure what size I was gonna be. So and like how they fit and whatnot. Sometimes I just like wanna go into the store to feel and touch them, if that's an option. So I went into the store and I found out that they actually run big. I got a size 7.5 and I am a size 8. So not super big, but I did size down half a size. So once I was in there, I could feel how comfortable they really are. They have this really soft, real leather, and they just felt so good on. When I was in there, I even saw the sales associate was wearing them in black, and you could tell that they were super worn in, that like she clearly wore them all the time. So I got them. I wanted to wait to do this review before I actually obviously wore them out and I got to give my full review of how they felt. So we had to go to do a few errands and go to a few stores in Soho today, and we literally spent about 4 hours there just walking around, and I wore the boots, and honestly I can say they didn't give me any bit of discomfort the entire time. They were so comfortable, and that is something that I really look for in a boot, especially when I'm going to be doing a little bit of a splurge on a shoe. So another thing that goes into my thinking is that I do think this is going to be a classic style. I think that white never goes out of style. I can wear this with so many different things, and a combat boot really like will be timeless. I've also been really interested in all things white. I don't know if it's the to-be bride that I am. I got another pair of white shoes. I'll share them later, but I've just been looking at all things white. Anyway, so when I wore these in Soho, I'll show you the outfit. I paired them with just white jeans, white boots, and then I had the pop-up color that was that bright pink bubblegum color that I think just made the whole thing remind me of like an ice cream springy color, and I am very excited for the warmer weather to come. So I think this will be a really good shoe to carry me into spring. And again, like I said, I don't think that this will go out of style. So that's my review on the Stuart Weitzman Mckenzee boots. If you liked it, please like this video, subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos, and leave a comment if you have a question, and follow me on Instagram, or DM me if you have a question. I try to answer everyone's question about whatever. Thanks again for stopping by.